I can't remember the last time you looked as happy as you did tonight. When your tipsy friend grabbed that bartender, gave him her phone and pulled us over there with her. He counted to three, and baby, I haven't seen inside of you in forever. I hate it's the truth, but baby, you never do. We're alone together, but it was good to see